we really have reasonable grounds to believe that this is no longer a service of a warrant of arrest. No? The fact that General Torres said that, no, really rings some truth to the argument that this is beyond service of an arrest warrant. No? Because this is the only time in the world that I have seen an arrest warrant being served for even more than 3 hours. No? Because most arrest warrant, nandyan na, dakpin, tak, dakpin, tak, dito na. Ngayon dito, may arrest warrant ha, yung eskwelahan nyo, amin na yan. Yung KOJC, amin na yan. Huwag na kayong magsimba dito. Yung itong mga establishment nyo, kami na matutulog dito. Huwag kayo. May arrest warrant po na ganyan, no? First time po ito dito nangyayari, no? The arrest warrant has become used as an instrument to oppress rather than to arrest, no? So that ewan ko kung mangyayari yan sa inyo, no? Na may arrest warrant yung pinsan ninyo. Tapos pinasok yung bahay ninyo, hindi na sila uuwi, doon na sila titira. Tapos yung CR nyo gagamitin nila, yung higaan nyo, higaan nila, doon na sila magtatae, doon na sila at saka beside sa sa sala mo, ano pa sila, tatanel doon sa sala kasi daw yung akusado nandun daw sa ilalim. Wala naman sila ebidensya. Meron silang proton helic. The proton helic is indeed a very high-tech machine. It works like an X-ray, no? Doon sa mga doon sa baba, no? Makikita mo kung may tunnel. Alam na nila yan from the get-go na walang tunnel. Yet, they proceeded in doing this. Ano yan? Krimen na yan. Hindi lang yan katangahan. Krimen na yan.